As promised, here is a quick video on how to cook rice really simply, really quickly. What you're going to need, obviously some rice. I've actually got some brown rice here. It's supposed to be a bit healthier, a bit more fibre in it. Some butter to finish it with, and some salt, and a pan, and obviously you're going to need some water. Now I work on the assumption of about 70 to 75 grams of rice per person. That's about 2 handfuls for me. I've got quite big hands. What you're going to want to do is stick that in a pan, and you get all this stuff about rinsing the rice through first, or even soaking the rice or rinsing it. You don't need to worry about that. It's not going to in fact make it any better if you do it. And also you get all this stuff about measuring out the certain amount of water for the certain amount of rice. Again, don't even bother with that, just pour in plentiful water. You want probably an excess of water. Now the reason why they say rinse it is it rinses off the starch, but by sticking it in cold running water you're not actually going to rinse off that much starch, not unless you keep doing it for ages. By using an excess of boiling water, a bit of chemistry lesson here, the starch will naturally come off the rice and into the water. It will dissolve and it won't stick to the rice, so long as you use plentiful water. When you've got like that, you just need to stick a lid on it and then boil it for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes for this dark rice here, the brown rice. Towards the end, give it a little bit of a taste to see if it's cooked, and we'll come on to that stage later. So when you think it's about done, take the lid off, get a spoon, give a few little bits of taste. It's better to at first undercook it and then cook it for a bit longer to save it going for a soggy mess. The next step, take your sieve and go and drain it, which I'm not going to show. Put it back in the pan, and then you can add a small amount of butter if you're not being particularly healthy, thinking about taste. A little sprinkle of salt. Give that all a stir. And that, as we can see, perfectly cooked rice. No messing, nothing to worry about. Measure out water, rinsing it. As you can see, it's not stuck together. Just use plenty of plenty of water in the pan. Boiling water is best if you can pre-boil it in a kettle. It saves a bit of time, a bit of energy. Then just cook it for however long it needs to be cooked for. Really, really simple. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe and to share it. And hello to all my old subscribers and the new ones that have subscribed in the last couple of weeks over the COVID-19 outbreak. Stay healthy. Just one last thing as well. This rice isn't any special rice. It's not quick cooked rice or anything. Don't bother with quick cooked rice. It's pointless. Alright, take care guys. Enjoy your home cooking. Enjoy your lockdown. Bye.